It's time to stop wasting your life and start upgrading yourself to the best version you've ever been. You have the power of getting what you want most in life. You can become the main character of your life, but you need to show up for yourself. No one else will help you reach your goals. You are the only one that needs to start changing for the better and start getting in the best shape of your life. This video will literally give you the best advice you've ever heard on how to upgrade yourself as a man and how to make your life exciting again. Leveling up in life is just as you would level up your character in video games. Your character starts at level 0 and has to do all kinds of quests and side quests to earn XP if you want to level up your character and become stronger. The higher the level of your character, the more difficult the quests and the challenges become you need to overcome to level up your character even further. But eventually you reach the end boss of the game, and if you have the right kinds of weapons and skill sets, you will be able to defeat the end boss and finish the game. Just like video games, we all start at level 0 when we are born as a human being, and throughout our life, with our experiences and knowledge we gain, we level up and acquire new skill sets. The skill set from video games also exists in real life, and your skill set in real life exists out of your health, your happiness, your relationships, your knowledge, your finances, the spirituality, and eventually your legacy. This is the end boss from the game. So now that you know how your skill set in real life looks like, how do you actually upgrade each individual skill from your skill set? Let's start with your health, because this is by far the most important skill out of them all. You only have one body, so taking care of your body and your health is the most important thing you can do in life. If your health fails and you get very sick, nothing else matters, because you literally can't do anything else than just rest and recover. Your physical health can be upgraded by exercising a couple of days a week and eating healthy, non-processed foods. Combine these two side quests, eating healthy and exercising, and you will feel unstoppable. You will feel much more energized, and your daily life will just become much more easier and enjoyable. Your mental health can be upgraded by just taking time for yourself in silence, just sitting in silence so you can sort through your thoughts in your mind from all the stress and everything that happens from the day at hand. Meditation is the best way to do this. You just sit in silence for 10 minutes every day and let your mind go where it wants to go. Every time you catch your mind wandering and all kinds of thoughts pop up in your mind, try to bring your attention back to your breath. If you do this every day for 10 minutes, you will notice that eventually your mind will be quiet and will live in silence most of the day, and you will feel much more relaxed and all the stress will disappear. The second skill from the skill set you need to upgrade in life are your finances. The whole world works because of money. Literally everything in our modern lives costs money, so having a lot of money can make your life much easier and more enjoyable. Now, I'm not saying you need $1 billion to be happy, but having a lot of money will give you stuff and opportunities in life that you would otherwise never have. Set a big financial goal for yourself and work every day towards achieving this goal. Not only will the money at the end of this goal give you a more full and enjoyable life, but also having a goal to work towards will give you a sense of meaning and purpose in your life. Do something every day to work towards achieving this goal, no matter how small the task. If you do something every day, you will achieve your goal. The third skill you need to upgrade in life is your knowledge. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the more powerful you become and the more success you will achieve in life. Read books every day, listen to podcasts, go to seminars, or just buy courses or private lessons from mentors to upgrade your knowledge as much as possible. This process is a never-ending process. Stay open-minded and keep learning for the rest of your life. No one ever knows everything, so there is always something to learn. If you do this for the rest of your life, this will make you a very powerful human being. The next skill from your skill set in life to upgrade is your happiness. What actually is the purpose of money and success in life if you are not happy with the life you are living? You can work your whole life, achieve a lot of success, and literally achieve everything you've ever wanted, but still not be happy with your life. This actually happens a lot. People work their whole lives in a job, looking forward to retirement, and the day their retirement arrives, they realize it's not what they thought it would be. You can't get wasted years back. Be very certain about what you want to achieve and if this thing will really make you happy. The fifth skill to upgrade in life are your relationships. Human beings are very social animals. We like hanging out with other people and getting the attention of other people. If you would isolate yourself from the outside world for 30 days, you would feel miserable, even if you are not super social. We need interaction with other human beings, especially the ones we love. Spend some time with your loved ones every single week and you will feel motivated and you will feel more energized. Even if you are an introvert, you are still a human being and you still need the social interactions. I'm an introvert myself, but I still like hanging out with my family, friends and loved ones. I always feel better after spending time with my loved ones and I feel energized and motivated to achieve my goals. The next skill from your life skill set is spirituality. We are the only animal on this planet with consciousness and empathy. No other animal on this planet can feel what other animals feel, and they will also not think about the consequences of their actions. We as human beings can put ourselves in the shoes of another human being, and that's what makes us different from all the other animals of this planet. Living an ethical life and taking care of other human beings will make you feel better. Your soul will literally be happier. Believing in God, whichever you prefer, is a great way to living a better life and staying away from bad decisions. Some people believe in bad and good karma or just the universe in general, but basically that's the same as believing in God. As long as you believe in something, you will mostly avoid bad choices and live a good ethical life. The last skill from your life skill set can literally be seen as the end boss of your life, and that is legacy. This is the hardest skill to upgrade, that's why I also call it the end boss, but if you can beat this end boss, you literally won the game of life. Everything we talked about in this video until now are things that will enrich your life as you are still alive, but we all die one day, and then all the things you have worked so hard for will just be lost. All the money you obtained, all the materialistic things you bought, all the knowledge you gained will just be lost on the day you die. But one thing will remain, even if you are not around on this planet anymore, and that thing is legacy. What do you want to leave behind? What do you want to be known for? And what do you want to give your children after you are gone? Your legacy will exist forever, even if you are not alive anymore. There are actually very few people on this planet who will leave a legacy behind. So if you can do this, if you can level up your skill of legacy, you are one of the rare human beings who've ever lived on this planet who left a legacy behind. I made a video about getting your life together before it's too late, and I published it recently on my channel. In this video I explained to you how you can take the right steps to become a good man and to improve your life in general. If you're interested, you can watch that video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!